Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone battery draining after 26 update. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have update your device to iOS 26, and after doing update you will see the issue that your iPhone battery draining. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you stop draining your battery. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, open your settings, scroll it down, and from here check your iOS version. So guys, as you will see, I have updated my iPhone to iOS 26. And guys, after this you have to scroll it down and you need to open battery option. Open it, and now battery health and charging. So guys, as you can see, here is the option of optimized battery charging. You have to turn it on. So guys, simply you have to charge your iPhone till 80%. And guys, after this, here is the option of low power mode. You have to turn it on. And guys, now you need to go back, click on general, and here is the option of background app refresh. So guys, simply you have to turn off all the apps, and now you have to go back. From here, open iPhone storage, and you need to open the apps that you are not using. So guys, simply you have to delete or offload apps that you are not using. And guys, after doing all this method, if still not fix your problem, then you need to downgrade your iPhone. So guys, how can you downgrade? Simply you have to install 3U tool in your laptop or PC, and you need to connect your iPhone with your laptop, and with the help of 3U tool you can easily downgrade your iPhone from 26 to 18. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.